Life is rife with so many issues, and dealing with them can be a daunting endeavor. You could start off small by watching a movie or going for a long drive, or if you're really lost, you can seek out professional help. But what if you're uncomfortable telling a stranger your problems? Well, Danny Goncalves may have found a creative solution.
Art comes in many forms and is different to each individual person. Even viewing art can be very interesting, as we are consistently left wondering, what does it mean? What was the artist feeling when he or she created this piece? Well, there's a Chilliwack individual who decided to make a career out of this very question. This is Andrea Gillette, and she's an art therapist.
Art therapy is it's a counseling method that uses art as a tool to kind of access deeper emotions. A lot of people, especially highly verbal people, they can talk around a problem but not really get to it. It's an active, creative process, so they can focus on making something.
The way it works is a client comes in and sits with Andrea. They are presented with pencils, crayons, and a blank canvas awaiting endless creative designs.
If they're stuck on what to make, I can suggest something for them. We can talk about it first before they start making, focus on what they're really trying to work on, or if it's just that they can't quite get that first kind of mark on the page, I'll ask them to do a little scribble or something that just kind of gets the juices flowing.
The art therapist then tries to help the client through whatever problems they have in their life while analyzing their drawing. Now you may be wondering how a person's issue can show through simple designs, but as the therapist will tell you, everything is connected.
It accesses all the senses. So crayons smell a certain way. Pencils, they scratch across the paper in a certain way. So it evokes memories. It's active, so you're moving around, you're doing something, you're creating something. If someone's working on a divorce or anxiety or self-esteem, they'll put themselves on that page, even if they're drawing a simple flower. I can see what they're making, but I can also see how they're making it. It's so individual for every person that some people they're very connected to their emotions and they can talk about something really upsetting and be doing something obviously very upsetting to them, but it's getting it out of them onto the page or into the air.
Andrea created Between the Trees Art Therapy in 2005 and has since helped a number of patients. She has, however, learned that the method of practice is not for everyone.
If you have such a fear of kind of being judged or having to put something on paper, the idea that it has to be perfect, it's not going to be for you because there is no such thing as perfection. You can't achieve exactly what you want. You have to find the right therapy for you.
So if you feel like tapping into your artistic side and are curious what it might mean, then check out Between the Trees Art Therapy. For Go Fraser Valley, I'm Danny Goncalves.